Hey guys, so today we are going to do the helicopter rides here. I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys around how this is my first time taking the helicopter tour. It's something that I've always wanted to do for like a long time. I'm going to share my experience with you guys, so please be patient with me. I might freak out, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's go do it. So guys, I'm going to show you how the airport looks like. It's a small airport for most of the helicopters. Actually, we went to the wrong company, so we have that one up there and this one here. As you guys can see, it's a Apex here. So the rides go from around 250 bucks per person, and depending on which seat you are taking, especially the front seats are more expensive. Actually, for me, I wanted to do skydiving here in Arizona. I've always wanted to do skydiving, but I realized that I will have to drive almost 2 hours to get the skydiving helicopters. So these ones are only 15 minutes drive from where we have the Airbnb. I'm very excited. They have a restaurant on the other side, as you guys can see. It's super cool. So some of my friends are already inside, the ones who are not taking the helicopter ride. Very excited to do this with you guys. See, some people take the planes like this one here, and there are more like helicopters on the other side. Taking tours and all that. I think the guy said it's really nice to take pictures, especially when you are seated at the front. My first experience. I think the one thing that I'm not looking forward to is small. When it comes to small airplanes, they can get bumpy, especially when the wind is blowing like strong. So I don't know how that is going to be fun. I have my meta glasses, so we'll see if I will be able to take some pictures or like listen to the conversation from the pilot. So I'll be able to share with you guys. Keep it here, subscribe to Atita Fitness. Bye.
That back tail rotor, just good practice to never get towards the back of the helicopter. So never go towards the back. That's kind of big number one rule there. Then when the helicopter lands, all the blades are still going to be spinning when they get you guys off. Super easy with that though. When the helicopter lands though, you guys will follow me. We'll wrap around the nose, get to the other side, then go back to the van. It's a lot of words and directions, so if you guys forget all that after your tour, just watch and follow me. Again, the biggest thing is don't go towards that back tail rotor. And yeah, if you're following me, we won't be by that at all. So that's the goal there. I'll kind of explain this all again when we're out at the helicopter. It'll make more sense out there. Unlikely emergencies. You'll have a fire extinguisher next to Steve, your pilot. There's a first aid kit on that left rear side. So you just press the button and pull if you need that out of there. It opens super easily. And then if you do need to open the doors, for this helicopter will be kind of in the middle of the three out here. With this one though, super easy. You just pull down on the handle and push out, just like how it shuts. But again, only in case of an unlikely emergency. Otherwise, I'll grab those doors when the helicopter lands. And again, you can just follow me right back to the van. Super easy stuff out there. Just again, number one rule, don't go towards that back tail rotor. You guys want some pictures here?
Yeah.
I like the bottom front window. You can kind of mount there.
Okay. Guys, I'm so nervous, but we are going to see how it goes.
I'll help you with your belt or wrap around. Okay. There's that side for you. Back when Steve says it's time, the headsets will be right above and behind you guys there. Won't hear anything yet, but
okay, sounds good. Okay, this one. Sealers. Just put new mic muffs on there. you a briefing here. This is the fuel control lever that shuts the engine off. If you drop something down there, just don't reach for it. Over here's a heater. If you accidentally kick that on, I'll reach down and shut that off. Okay. You got a couple inches just to scoot towards the door. Just slide over. There you go. Now we can. There we go. That way I'm not elbowing you for 20 minutes.
On this side, have fun, you guys.
You ready? Not yet.
Alright, we're good.
Okay, all hooked up. Just a second, just priming it now. You got your headset in the back. You got yours, and then yours is right up there. Okay, area is clear. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Clear. Here we go.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane.